This video is going to show teachers how they can use the Lightspeed Access Scan extension to check and ensure that students will have access to the links and resources they provide. The first thing a teacher will need to do when using this extension is go to the website they will be sending their students. Now, I can use a landing page such as my Google Classroom that has several sites listed. As you'll notice here in my Google Classroom, I have multiple links posted for my students to use. I want to check and ensure that they will be able to access these. So I'm going to go to my extension bar and click on the Lightspeed Access Scan agent. And it automatically prompts me to put in a student email address. I just need the email of one of the students in my class. And then I click Scan Page. At this time, it is scanning the page to let me know. First of all, this page is fully allowed. However, there are 3 links that are going to be blocked for my students. And I notice, these are some of the videos I'm wanting them to watch. There are lots of links that they will be able to get to, but these ones right here are going to cause me a problem. I need to get these reclassified. So I'm going to click Email Results. And it pops out this window. I can copy the results to my clipboard, go to my email, and paste the results. Please unblock sites. I need to send an email to content@lightspeedsystems.com. There is one section that I need to update, and that is the date I will be doing this lesson. Providing a couple of days would be best practice. So I'm going to say I need these for Feb 14th. And I will send that email off. That is all I need to do to check to make sure my students will have access to their resources. Thanks.